Alright, welcome back to Do It Your Damn Self. Today I have the Bissell Crosswave. It is a floor shampooer and vacuum all in one. It's been doing a great job for me for many years now. And my wife was using it the other day, and apparently it just completely came to a screeching halt. So I am going into this fix completely cold. I don't know what I'll find inside here, but that's the way most fixes start anyway. So, got some basic tools. Already checked out what kind of screwdrivers I need. Small ones, Phillips head and flathead. Somewhere to put screws. Gotta have the magnet. And just a plain ordinary utility knife. So that's what the tools are I'm going to start out with. We'll see if I need to expand that. Here we go. First thing I'm going to do is just turn this thing over and have a look at what might be the problem. So here we go. First step, remove the water tank. It will get pretty messy otherwise. Alright. I do see some string wound up in this thing. So first thing we do, let's pull that out of there. Carefully cutting across the string. See if I can't just get that loose. A lot of times you'll find hair and whatever wound up around this brush right here. If you do, take it off very, very carefully. Don't cut the roller. And with any luck, that will be the main issue. We won't have to tear too far into this thing. Apparently my dogs have found somebody outside to terrorize. Okay. If that wasn't the issue, I'm sure it wasn't helping at all. So let's look further into this thing. See if we can hand manipulate the roller around and pull the remainder of that string off of there. Well, with any luck, that was the issue. If it's not, this wasn't helping at all. So, we're going to turn this thing over and see what we can find on the inside here. Take off the top cover and see if anything else is restricting it. I don't see anything else, but I want to make sure. I'm just going to stand this up. Take this cover off. Sometimes it can be a little hard to get off of there. Might need a little assistance, but it should pop right off. That way you're exposing the brush. And while we have it out here, we can clean this whole brush. Make sure everything's turning free. So here's the side where it connects to the belt. There's a few little strings left on here, but nothing major. While we have this off, you can clean inside here. Very easy. Take a wet rag, swab it around in here, clean it, run this under just regular tap water, and all this dirt should come right off of there. Here at Do Your Damn Self, I'm all about the easy fixes, so let's just hope that this was the only issue it had. Hopefully it didn't break anything on the inside and we won't have to tear into it. So you need to reassemble it. This is your gear side right here. Make sure this fits nicely on that little cog right there. Like so. The tab just pushes in, snaps into place. And just like that. So now what we have to do is get it on the floor, plug it in, turn it on, see if it works. Alright, when this thing stopped, it just came to a screeching halt. So what I'm thinking is the internal breakers may have just tripped off, saving the motor. One way to find out. Beautiful. That's exactly what happened. I absolutely love the easy fixes. I don't know if my wife will be disappointed because she may have wanted a new one, but this one's working perfectly again. So before you take it down to any repair shop, it may cost you $100 or so, just check out the roller. Make sure nothing is obstructing it. If the roller is free of hair and thread and whatever else, then it's time to either tear into this and find a belt and see if it broke or not, but that was not the case here. So just need to reassemble it and start cleaning the floor. So from here at Do It Your Damn Self, they call me the Jack of all trades. Don't be afraid to do it your damn self. Love you guys.